put the chicken in the bowl. I'm gonna take the baking powder. You see it right there. Make sure I get all of it in there. Then next, I'm gonna take the cornstarch. I know y'all wondering why I put baking powder in there. It keeps the chicken moist. It won't dry out as fast, so try it out. You want to have that cornstarch to put a little crisp on your chicken. That's the pink salt. Just a little bit in there. Get it started. Y'all know how I do. Alright, now a little bit of black pepper. I like to season my chicken. You get it moving. Put a little flavor up in there. Y'all know how we do. Yes, Lord. A little bit of olive oil. We're gonna mix this together. Get all this stuff together. Oh, I forgot. Yeah. Don't never forget 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. Like I said, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. Put that to the side because we want to use it a little later. Alright, y'all know you got to change your gloves when you're messing with raw chicken, so that's what I'm doing right now. Putting some new fresh gloves on. Got to do that. That's very important. You don't want to cross contaminate nothing, not even your own kitchen. Thumbs up. Alright, we're going to chop this little ginger here. Dice it up a little bit first. You see, that's what I'm doing. Dicing it up, then I'm gonna put it to the side so I can get to the garlic. So that's what I did right there. And now I'm gonna smash the garlic with my chef knife a little bit. Put a little tap in it, put a little smash in it. Easy to cut when it's smashed down like that. Chop it up a little bit. Exactly. See what I'm doing. So I'm gonna take the ginger and garlic at the same time and chop them up. Infuse the flavor a little bit. Get all those juices just dancing together. And ginger and garlic is very good. Just let you know that right now. Ginger and garlic together is very good. Can't go wrong with neither one. I mean, neither one. Y'all know how we do. You know how we do. We keep it real. Let's get it. I'm gonna finish cutting this up. Speed it up a little bit so we can get to the other part. Let's get it. Alright, y'all, got my pan all hot, got my oil in there. I'm gonna beat my 2 eggs up a little bit. Beat them up pretty good. Break it up. And you want the oil hot. Like a little smoke coming out the oil. That's how you want it. You want that egg to sizzle when you cook. You feel me? Do y'all see how the egg look going in that pan? Yes, Lord. Looking good, looking good. Let it fluff up a bit. Yes. Let it fluff up a little bit. Stir it around. Hey, if you don't know how to fry an egg, something wrong. Most people don't. So don't get discouraged. You don't want to burn it, so you want to put enough oil down there at the bottom of the pan so you won't burn your egg. Now, egg is optional in the chicken fried rice. You ain't gotta put it in there, but in this case, I'm gonna do it. And cooking chicken fried rice, you do it the way you want to do it. There's no wrong or right way to do it. It's your flavor, your taste, your style. You think every Chinese restaurant chicken fried rice tastes the same? You're wrong. All of them different. Let's get it. This is the part, I got new oil in there. You see that I just showed you the sesame seed oil. Sesame seed oil is optional too, but I like the flavor of it. I like it because it's got like a nutty flavor to it, so it's very good. Gonna put my onions in there, my garlic and ginger. I'm gonna fry them up to a golden brown. Y'all know how we do. I haven't used all of it because I still have another batch to do. Cooking for a lot of people. So, y'all know how Chef Jay do. When it comes to cooking, I cook. So, this is gonna take a little bit, a minute. I'm gonna speed it up a little bit so we get to the next step. Y'all know how we do. Yes, Lord. Alright y'all, I'm going to use the same pan that I did the onions and garlic to fry the chicken. Keep that flavor going on. Cook that chicken till it's like a golden crisp brown around the edges. You want to cook your chicken thoroughly, all the way through. You don't want to leave no pink in your chicken. Trust me, you will get sick. Y'all just see that I changed my gloves when I just touched the chicken. I went and go grab me some more gloves to put on, some fresh ones. Like I said, I don't play when it comes to the kitchen. I don't want nothing cross-contaminated, period. So, like I said, I'm speeding up the video up a little bit so we get to the next steps. So y'all know how we do. Check it out. Alright y'all, this is where I put my rice in. Sorry about that. You want to keep the rice cold. I did cook the rice, but I put it in the refrigerator to get it cold. It tastes better like that. It fries better when it's cold. You don't want mushy rice when you cooking chicken fried rice or anything fried rice. You want that rice to be firm and fluffy. You see that I just put some soy sauce in there as well. Stir it up a little bit. Also, y'all, I didn't show y'all that, but I do put a little bit of curry powder and onion powder as well in my fried rice. That season right there, that is the Asian fried rice season. You can buy it from any market. But you go to. You know, and also, like I said, you add your flavors as well. So it's just simple, it's a simple dish. You know. I got my peas and carrots there. I'm gonna throw that in there. I'm gonna throw chicken in there. I'm about to toss a lot of stuff. That's me right there, just putting the curry powder inside there. A little bit of onion powder. I'm trying to get it come out. Not use much. So, like I said, I want to get to it, and y'all can see how it is. Hope y'all enjoyed this video by watching it. I know I'm speeding it up a little bit, but you know, I'm doing this kind of late, so you know, it's all good. I did put some more sesame seed oil in there, as you've seen. So, like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like, share, and try to make it. Enjoy cooking.